Hey guys, Mower Medic 1 here. Hey listen, I got a question for you guys, and I tell you what I'm going to do also. I'm going to tag my buddy Trey from Big Buck Mowers, and I'm going to see if he'll agree with me. If not, that's great. I love any kind of feedback that I can get. On these Kawasaki engines that are on these Eagle buffers, they have a engine filter. And what this thing does, it keeps all the dust out of the cylinder fins. As you can tell, they'll get clogged up, and so this is going to be a service point that needs to be serviced. I would say, even on the hour, possibly at the end of the day. But what I'm wondering is, why couldn't we order filter cage right here? It just bolts on. And would this be a good accessory for a Kawasaki engine, or maybe a Kohler engine on a Z-Rider? Honestly, in my opinion, I think it'd be a good idea. If I had a Kawasaki on a Z-Rider, I'd put one on it, because I'm going to take it off and clean that filter. It would definitely keep the dust and the grass and the leaves out. But however, these engines, I have lots of failures because the operators won't clean this filter. And then I have engines that have just overheated to the point to where the engines will literally just melt. I'm talking about valve guides, valves, heads. They've gotten so hot that the head bolts are just finger tight, and that's not good. So we got to keep this clean. But it's a good feature to help keep the engine from getting crap and just garbage filled up around the cylinder heads and the cylinders. So tell me what you think.